Hello and welcome to 10 things to try in Cricut Design Space. We're going to do a little quick tutorial on a name label. Start by grabbing your text. As you can see here, just grab the text and we're going to type our name, and the way we resize our name is to drag those boxes, or you can use the measurements at the top here where the arrows are pointing, and we drag in and out to resize it. And remember, when we go to cut, we need to attach, so find the attach button and attach your word so that it cuts in one piece. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!